The Tulip and the Windmill. In a land of vibrant colors, where tulips stretched towards the sky like a painter's palette, lived a little girl named Annalise. She loved her home, a country crisscrossed with canals and dotted with windmills that spun like gentle giants. One sunny morning, Annalise's grandfather, a kind old man with eyes the color of the North Sea, said, "Come, little one, let's go on an adventure. Our country has many stories to tell." Their first stop was a grand windmill, its sails turning with a soft whoosh. "This is more than just a mill," her grandfather explained. "It's a symbol of our ingenuity, how we've learned to live with the water and the wind." Next, they visited a bustling cheese market. Wheels of golden cheese were stacked high, and the air was filled with the cheerful chatter of merchants and the rich, nutty smell of aged Gouda. They then sailed down a quiet canal in a small boat. Annalise trailed her fingers in the cool water, watching the elegant canal houses with their gabled facades glide by. "Each of these houses has a story," her grandfather whispered. In the afternoon, they visited a museum filled with magnificent paintings. Annalise was captivated by the works of the Dutch masters, their canvases filled with dramatic light and shadow. As the sun began to set, they walked through a field of windmills at Kinderdijk. The setting sun cast long shadows, and the windmills stood like silent sentinels against the orange and purple sky. "Our country is a tapestry woven with threads of history, art, and nature," her grandfather said, his voice filled with pride. "From the brave people who reclaimed the land from the sea to the artists who captured its beauty." Annalise looked at the spinning windmills, the endless fields of tulips, and the shimmering canals. She felt a deep love for her country, a place of resilience and beauty. As they headed home, a gentle breeze rustled the tulips, and the windmills continued their silent dance. Annalise knew she would carry the stories of Holland in her heart forever.